What's up YouTube? I'm John and this is Bad Mechanics. So, over the past week, I purchased a new roll cart from Matco to work out of at work. So that left me with the option to bring my old roll cart home with me. So the main purpose of a roll cart is to be able to, when you work in a bigger shop like I do, you can load certain tools into it and roll it over to your job and work out of that, so you don't have to be coming back and forth between your big toolbox and where you're working at. It can also be used for extra tool storage, all kinds of stuff. I was using it as extra tool storage, rolling it over to jobs. I mainly kept supplies and electrical diag stuff in here. And I got to the point where I needed more storage for supplies, greases, blue Loctite, or any kind of grease or whatever. And then I was running out of room for my electrical storage, which was stored in this drawer down here. I had more electrical stuff, just more supplies. And it got to the point where if I was rolling over to a job, I'd be taking tools out of my box, putting them up here, and then rolling over to where I needed to work. What I wanted was a full bank cart to put my most used stuff in, and so I didn't have to keep loading and unloading from my main toolbox. So I upgraded, this came home with me, and now I have a decent roll cart, toolbox at home that I can work out of. So what do I like about this thing? It's a US General from Harbor Freight. A lot of people talk crap about them. These are great carts, especially for homeowners. I use this in automotive shop, heavy equipment shop for 2 years, and it served me really well. There are some things that kind of wore out on it. The lock doesn't work. I actually dropped this. I didn't give a crap about this thing. So I would roll it under a car for whatever, or a truck, and I would use it to hold stuff and work, and I actually let a truck down on it once and it flopped over and kind of bent the back in. But it still works. The lock on it kind of sticks, but it's cool. Anyway, for home use, this is gonna be awesome. So let's go through, what I kind of have set up so far. I'm at the stage in my career where I'm starting to upgrade the cheaper tools that I bought. And so I'm sending the cheaper stuff that I had at work home for home use. All right, so this is gonna be a second set of sockets I have. These are Husky. I find these sockets really great. They're excellent. I have 1/4 inch, 3/8 deep, 3/8 shallow, and these are all of them are metric. I want to eventually get a 1/2 inch set, but I'm typically not needing 1/2 inch sockets at home, or if I do, I just bring them from work. So either I'll upgrade a work set or just get another cheap set to keep at home. Over here we have random stuff. These are actually not bad for just testing voltage. These are from Harbor Freight. So I have a cheap multimeter. This is actually an excellent test light. I have 2 or 3 of these. Electric tape, battery, terminal cleaners, and we have a tire gauge that is useless on trucks because it doesn't go above 60 psi. So, and a marker. Nothing special gonna be in this box, but I bought these Icon screwdrivers. They were okay. I don't know. I wanted something different, I guess. These are fine for home use. Fine for professional use too. I don't know. I didn't like them that much. Some extensions. I got a 1/4 inch nut driver. Just driving stuff. This is my first set of wrenches. I upgraded These are still really great, and I really do enjoy using these. I still have the standard set at work, but move the metric home. Just got some miscellaneous ratchets. This one's a Gear Wrench 120 XP. I only upgraded this ratchet because I lost the 3/8 120 XP under a hood of a truck and it went bye-bye. Cheap 1/2" Duralast. And this is a really old Duralast 3/8 flex head. We got some crappy pliers. And these will never get used at home. I barely use these at work, but they're in there. And in the bottom, I got some hammers, and this set actually belongs in my truck. It is a lug nut socket kit, shallow sockets for my wheels, and they come with the protectors to keep from scratching the wheels. Anyway, I definitely want to load this box up with a few more things. As I upgrade stuff at work, it will come home with me, and that will be great. On the bottom, we have my Milwaukee shop vac that's cordless. Really like that thing, just to vacuum out my truck. I don't have to run a cord out with a vacuum. I just put a battery in it and walk out there. And we got a tool bag. So that was usually what I use to transport stuff to and from work. So that's how we got it set up right now. So before, when I had to do work at home, I would, load up a tool bag from my toolbox, bring it home, and bring it back the following day or work day, and load it back into my toolbox to work. I'm super excited to now have a box at home that I can store tools, organize tools, that I don't have to bring as many tools home from work, that I can just have tools here and know, hey, I don't need to bring a socket set, I don't need to bring a wrench set, I got pliers at home. So definitely gonna be loading some more stuff in this box, and as I'm doing projects at home, just excited to finally have a toolbox at home. I haven't had one at home for since I started, so it's awesome. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this content, and I will see you next time.